Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Beauty by Mulad and I do any type of makeup from soft glam to bridal look. In today's video, I'll be working with a bride who is going for a court wedding. We're not going to be doing anything much, nothing crazy, nothing too shouty, nothing heavy, just something simple. I'd like you guys to enjoy the video, watch, subscribe, like the video, drop your comments, send it to your friends, your family, and put on your notification bell so that you know when I drop another video. So if you notice, I really took my time on the skin prep. She's going for a course marriage and her makeup can't be breaking out, it can't be looking anyhow. So I really took my time for the skin prep. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you for getting to this segment. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please emphasis on subscribe. I really need your subscription, guys. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video.